In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zapier, a powerful tool that allows you to streamline your workflow by automating repetitive tasks. Whether you're looking to connect your CRM with emails, calendars, or other business tools, this integration can save you time and energy, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the marketplace icon. This is your primary gateway to finding integrations and add-ons that can enhance your HubSpot experience. Clicking this icon will take you into the HubSpot marketplace, a treasure trove of tools and resources designed to enhance your marketing and sales processes. Now, using the search feature in the marketplace, type in Zapier. Zapier is a platform that acts like a bridge, connecting various applications so data can be shared seamlessly between them. Once you've entered the name, you should see Zapier listed among the available integrations. Click on the Zapier option to proceed. After clicking on Zapier, you'll be presented with more detailed information about the integration, including reviews, features, and how it can benefit your specific needs. Take a moment to browse this section if you're unfamiliar with Zapier's capabilities. But to continue with the installation, we need to focus on the next step, which is installing the integration. To do this, simply click on the Install button. This action starts the process of integrating Zapier into your HubSpot environment. If you're not currently signed into your Zapier account, you may be prompted to do so, or you might need to create a new account if you're new to Zapier. Remember, having both a HubSpot and a Zapier account is essential for this integration to work effectively. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully integrated HubSpot with Zapier. However, remember that setting up specific zaps, which are automation workflows in Zapier, will require additional configurations. You can set zaps to trigger actions within HubSpot whenever certain events occur in other apps, and vice versa. This can greatly improve the efficiency of your business processes. Take your time to explore the different automation possibilities available through this integration. The more you explore, the more you'll discover opportunities to improve your workflow. If you ever find yourself needing assistance, both HubSpot and Zapier offer robust support resources with detailed articles and help centers. Thanks for joining me today, and happy automating.